That's a fucking
So good that Shadowplay has no FPS drops.
So M110 SD. Wait, it sells for less. You buy it for more, and then it sells for more, and you buy it for less. What? Alright, M110 SD. Yes.
Yep.
Oh wait, does that take different mags then?
It takes SD.
Oh, it'll take DMR. What the fuck?
I think it takes. Yeah, it takes DMR mags.
It'd have to, because it's a DMR variant. A blood bag.
Well, I bought 4 actually.
What blood bags? I need 4 of them.
Alright,
Yeah, I found.
oh, IKEA credit. There's an IKEA credit.
Alright, well we're gonna head for that now.
Like,
Just give me. I need to buy blood. 1 sec.
Banker again. If you don't hurry up.
Are you even here yet?
Yeah, I'm just buying the blood bag, man.
Oh, you buying it? I thought you were just waiting for you to
Was
get
it
here.
fucking Anthony have 4 on it?
Are you serious? You fucking.
I bought him, bro. I said that you can buy your own.
He said it about 5 times that he has had 4 of them.
I've actually had 5 because I've used one.
Get the fuck.
That's what I'm.
You can walk. Get there.
You can
Oh,
actually walk there.
Pingu 420.
Alright, colour.
Can I walk?
When
Let's
did you
do
get
this.
hit? Oh, yeah.
EMP gets through, bro.
Let's go, Marine.
Oh, that's speed limit.
So where's the crate? Oh, it's there. We're basically
Nice.
in its own.
What speed?
On the airfield.
The last one was on the airfield. Check the airfield. I'll try and carry you.
I've got a backpack.
Tell me you just do it. Oh my god.
Ape Scully claim.
Oh,
22 cinder block walls.
3
Sorry.
walls, 2 outhouses.
I'm gonna get in the driver's seat just in case.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Do you want me to take the walls or you got?
I've already got them all in my backpack.
Alright.
Zombies coming.
I got 16. You took some of the others.
Yeah. Alright, let's go back to base.
How good's that position? How good's the car now?
Yeah.
Hang on.
What got hit?
Just keep going.
Go drive. What are you doing?
I'm fucking.
Go.
I can't move. There we go.
Let's cover it.
Oh, fuck.
Now make sure you don't flip this shit. Pretty sure.
Tell me if it's going the right way. This is the right
Why
way.
don't we
Yeah.
tow the boat to the car and see if we can drive on water with the car?
Well, you're not gonna. It's pretty obvious.
Well, then you gotta be pushing the boat. But you can't do.
You can't, man. That's just the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
We should give it a go with some shit car though.
That wouldn't work though.
It doesn't work.
Because the car will be off the ground being towed.
No, but
No, Anthony, it won't work.
Well, you want to drive the boat on
yeah,
land.
no, on water. I said
Oh.
like
Oh,
the
yeah,
opposite
what
way
the
around.
fuck? You never
What's the
said
point of that?
I said water. Yes, I did. You know what the fuck are you talking about?
But I'm unsure
Oh,
what the
shit.
point of that is.
Was that you shooting?
Yeah.
What's good?
Why was it so close?
So I was in first.
Head along the coast.
Brum, brum, brum.
Oh my god, don't hit that.
No, I saw it.
Whoa.
Nah, I heard
Alright,
him say
I'm in.
Anthony.
Yeah, because I just keep on thinking you're driving.
It's all
Alright,
good.
stop.
It's all jokes.
Oh, I haven't seen this, Nibby.
Yeah, I put on the roofs.
Well, I don't like it. Restart it.
Oh, okay.
Alright? Fucking hell.
Wait, did the
Sick of
code
shit.
already in?
What?
Don't worry, I did it. Anthony already had the code like.
I was
in
never
his-
worrying. But he's taking that stupid boat out. I'm gonna shoot him, I swear to God.
What's he doing?
He's taking that boat out for a stroll.
Oh my god.
Are we gonna block this off? Keep this open?
No, we'll block it off.
Oh,
when we
it's
get enough
so
cinder to
good.
upgrade.
Wait, look at this.
I wanna shoot.
Oh.
What the fuck are you doing? Oh my God.
That is the. Oh my god. Just do spins. Do a 360.
It's so glitchy, that. It's so
Oh my god.
It's going under.
Oh my god.
It's going under.
That is
I can't see the
ridiculous.
face.
The jet ski's actually retarded. It's on fucking Twitch. How are you gonna
Oh
get
my
that?
god, no!
Holy
Oh my gosh.
That's gonna blow up and kill us all. How are you gonna get that back on land?
Lunch.
That's fitting.
Oh my god, that.
Oh
I just see
shit.
Anthony doing the silliest things.
He's gonna fuck up.
How funny was that though? Come on.
Not funny at all. It's really inappropriate. I'm gonna shoot you, I swear to God. Get ready for getting shot in the head.
Oh, that was funny.
Lock the doors.
Nah, fuck off. Alright, prepare the SUV. We're going. Do you know where to
Prepare
go,
the
Anthony?
SUV.
Do you want a gun? Because you're probably the best gun after this.
Alright.
It's as if I asked you something. For your opinion.
Freaking driving on the mouse.
Yeah, but you gotta wreck people with this boat.
Never ever had a boat fight. That'd be so fun.
Boat fire.
This is an Assassin's Creed 4, mate. Get it? It's a joke.
Oh,
I don't get it.
smoke paths up there to the right, the wheels do. Swear I heard a vehicle. Dude, there's a freaking. What is that?
Where?
Dead ahead, dead ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up there.
It's just,
Is that a tank?
Vodnik. Go. I'm gonna fuck it up. It's
Are you
Vodnik,
sure?
yeah. Yep.
That looked like a tank.
It's a Vodnik.
I don't think it'll be a
That
tank.
is,
It's a Vodnik.
no, that's
No,
a
what?
What is that?
That is a legitimate tank. Oh
What
my
is that?
God.
What the hell is that?
Oh, wait, fuck now.
It's
Actually,
a severe.
no,
It's a medical one. That is crazy.
What is a medical tank?
That is sick. There's tanks on this server? I didn't even know. Alright,
Drives
let's-
out like Transformers.
Oh, what the
That thing
hell?
is
You
scary.
guys
Let's
did
just-
fucking hazmat things.
Dude, they just did the mission. They must have just stopped the mission.
I think that thing just did not give a fucking fuck.
That thing's gonna transform and run after us. That's all you do.
That sound is so annoying.
Oh no.
Yeah. It drowns out everything. That's on the left of the fucking thing we fucked up. Thunderbird.
Alright. Moment of truth if this works. Okay, right click.
No, watch.
Hanger.
Where's it gonna
Vehicles
spawn?
nearby in storage. Okay, ready?
Where's it gonna spawn?
3, 2, 1. Standing.
I want it
still.
spawns and it blows the fuck up.
Yeah, we all die.
Helicopter.
It spawns like
Oh
a water.
shit! What a fucking troll spawn.
I can't get in it. Take road flare. It's a locked vehicle. Are you serious?
What do you mean?
It's locked. It's a locked vehicle.
I can get in the gear though.
Yeah,
How
the
can it be
gear.
locked?
Oh, I got a
What
key
is
for it.
locked?
I got a key for it.
Are you serious? You
It
can
gave
unlock
me a
it. Unlock.
key.
You're kidding me.
I'm not. Unlock
What the
C130J. I've
fuck?
got a private C130. That is the
Oh,
most
what?
overpowered thing.
But now you can't sell it. Or can you?
Oh, hang on, let me check. There's a road flare in it. That's retarded.
Road flare,
Alright,
just in
let me just
case.
see. Let me see if it comes up.
'Cause there's no point in
I know,
keeping
it
it, really.
doesn't.
What are you gonna do with it? Fly it around, show your mates and crash.
Aircraft. Nope.
Can't sell it.
No, here, dude.
Can you sell it?
I'll
I'll hit it
let
with the
you
SUV. Gently.
Oh please.
Well, I need to move it. I want to fly it.
You wanna fly it? Alright. Don't fuck it up. So it doesn't sell?
What does it come up for you? Whoa!
Just sold
Where
it.
did it
sold
go?
it. I sold it.
You sold it?
Yes.
Fuck off.
You said to sell it.
You can't. Alright, we'll give you the money.
Where are you, YouTuber?
Oh my
So
god.
you could sell it. How much did you
Something
get?
around like 217,000.
Holy fuck, that was worth it. Because you can't really
Yeah.
do much with it.
I guess. No.
Thanks, cheap cunts.
How to get a fucking free personal armored SUV?
Yeah. Where do we go? Should we just do?
Bum, bum, bum.
What
Black Hole crash.
Did you bank the
It's in
money,
a
Tom?
bad spot.
Did you make the money?
Yeah.
There's a new band at Black Horse Hawk Crash.
Yeah.
Two
It's in a
now.
really bad spot.
Do you want to cry a bit?
Yeah.
Alright. Crater.
Every time we go to do something, something else
An
happens.
IKEA crate dropped up, so it's worth it. It's floors. Or just cinder. Floors or cinders what we need.
No, plywood pack and limber pack.
Oh
Come
yeah. Lumber. Yeah.
on. Limber's where it's at, you don't understand.
Well, that's not happening.
Nathan, you fucking alright there, man.
Oh my god, that pink car is still in that bush
Yeah,
top.
blow it off, Anthony.
It's been there since we started playing. That's like 2 weeks ago. Blow it up, Anthony.
Anthony's AFK.
I'm right here.
Oh, he's not in the
Why
car.
are
he's
you not in the gunner?
Because I've got all the gear on me, but I'll go on
I'll
there.
try more. You fuck. Blow
No,
it
no,
up.
actually no, we'll get a better angle.
Gee. You can't shoot from behind. Alright.
Fine. It's in the tree.
What is this better angle? You drove in the same way?
To your left, Anthony.
You don't understand how derpy my character is right now. I'm like looking through the gun.
Yeah, I know, it doesn't scope. Only if there's a driver. There we are, instant on fire. Perfect.
See you, bro.
On fire.
You
We
never have to
just
worry.
need to clean up the server, right?
I remember we drove past that, thought someone was inside. Oh, but now I'm in combat. Dag nabbit.
There's an armor. Is that armor that's released?
Yeah,
That's gone.
it is. It's there. I know, I was joking. Oh,
Oh,
where? Oh,
radio.
I'll check.
Did you shoot it?
Jesus
well,
Christ!
it's not gonna
What are
be
you
working.
doing, you fuckwit?
No,
It was open, but
Get in. Before you
all the bullets, all on the little bird.
dumbass.
I had to jump in this because you were scaring the fuck out of me.
Last bullet hit that. Goodbye.
You used all the bullets.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's retarded.
I blew it up.
I
God.
really hope we run into someone.
Hey, bro.
Oh my god.
You don't expect that shit to happen.
What do you mean? That's what the thing we were expecting to happen.
Well, Tom told me to shoot bloody everything.
No, I didn't tell you to shoot the heli.
It's the biggest cup of fucking up I've seen.
Have you done it?
Tom, he said he was doing it.
Have you bought it?
There's no bank on him, I don't think.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, there's the bank, there's a bank.
Alright,
There was a
look
garage as well and a hangar.
Yeah. Well,
Okay, just grab that shit and hurry up. Might as well do something that works and do something that might not work.
yeah.
In this
Right. Bank and
Let's go.
buy.
Bank and buy. Bank and buy. Hold up to bank and buy.
It might be too late. So.
I'm buying it right now.
Have it ready for another one.
Probably spawn in the water, so get ready.
Get ready for what?
It
Well.
spawns there. Okay, Anthony, tow.
Get hit by the car.
Wow, it's drifting away.
Roll.
Oh my god, he did.
Are you kidding me? Did you hit it?
No, it spawned in on like a sloping.
Are you
Oh,
fucking?
man.
Tom, get the jet ski. Tom, get the jet ski.
No, jump off the jetty. Drive the car to the jetty.
No.
Hold on, I'm just swimming. It's like playing GTA all over again.
It's so slow. You go to the end of that, maybe you can tow it.
Alright, I caught up to it.
Nah, I can't risk
What
that.
a fucking troll. Look how far that drifted.
Yeah, that is a bit of.
Alright,
Dick
quickly,
move.
just go.
I don't have time for your shitty shenanigans.
Alright, stop. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ!
So dumb.
Live your fucking life on the edge. It's sliding in!
Oh my god. Get in driver, get in driver.
I can't!
Get in driver, get
I
in driver.
can't! I can't do it.
Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Just don't gun it up like next time.
I'm just gonna beat you, alright?
Yeah, I'll do it, I'll
Stop.
tow it, I'll tow it. Bring it, no, bring it close, I'll tow it.
No, mate.
They're probably gone. Where are we even going with this? They wouldn't have stuck around that long.
Yeah, losing.
Not just then look.
I never could throw the blue for
Dead giveaway.
it. When's the restart? 6 months.
We got time. We got nothing but time. Wouldn't be anything about it.
So bad.
Oh, there's a player right
Oh
in
yeah,
front of us.
player right
I told you he was here. Where?
EMP. It's in the trees.
I can't see
Oh
him.
my god. It's shaky.
Oh my god, stop driving, please.
Steady, steady. Oh my god.
Oh my
Fucking EMP.
You fucking serious?
That's nothing if we got plugged.
Is that? That's the fucking fresh spawn that keeps killing himself.
He's gonna be mad. Whoa, we just
Shit.
got shot.
Okay,
Getting
stop,
shot at.
drive, Tom.
How?
Drive. Oh, shit. Stop. He won't be able to see it. He'll be on the floor.
Yeah,
Alright, I'm back.
I'm not. I'm black screen.
I'm black screen.
Yeah,
I'm
okay,
not
good,
moving,
good.
moving, gonna.
Dude, we can kill him. He'll be on the
Yeah.
floor.
I don't have painkillers, fuck me.
Did we lose blood?
Yeah,
Fuck. Where was he? Sam?
I don't see him,
Oh,
but I'm
okay.
low, I'm one shot kill. I just blood bagged.
It's a little play for
So what are we doing now?
Oh. Is there players in here?
Yeah, there's one.
Because yeah, there's players and there's zombies going spastic.
It's Pistodo.
Anyone got? Oh fuck! I can't get painkillers for me.
I got painkillers on me, but I only got one, so I gotta take it.
You were doing 360s around the block.
I'm not driving, it's someone else. Is
Oh
this
my god,
horsey?
Nathan! Nathan, you went straight.
What?
Oh my god, DC.
We DT. Dude,
I
you
can't, you're in the car!
Went, you just. It's a 3-seater, luckily.
You drive, someone else. What do you mean? Who was in front of me?
Oh, you just went straight through the boat and the boat got knocked and then you went
The
onto
boat's over in the water!
I know, but the whole thing just went fucked and you.
Alright, someone else drive, I'm not
I'm
driving.
not driving. Tom,
Tom, you
drive.
drive. Oh my god, please. Tom.
He went AFK.
Oh,
Wait, are you in driver? Like, get whoever's outside can drive seat.
I don't want to drive, I'm shit.
Oh, Tom drive.
Tom, you drive. Wait, now I can't get in. Don't drive it forward, please. There we go, go. Faster, more dangerous. You almost crashed in the boat. Yeah, I know. Fuck you, how about that? 1,000 meters out.
Oh, your eyes are so fucked. Nathan, look at me. Nathan, look at me. Nathan, look at me. I'm on your right. Oh, your eyes, they're all like looking to... like launched into
Yeah,
the
just
house.
crushed my leg in the
You
corner.
got-
Where are you going with this? What was...
What was the point of this? Which mission are we doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, no, green drop just came up.
Are we just pushing in now?
Yeah.
Which one are we doing?
We're 400 meters away from the center.
Yeah, we're 100 meters now.
What?
Where did...
I'm like...
Oh, we're over there. Right, okay.
Yeah, no.
Don't fucking be stupid. Don't lose.
Don't be ape and squishy, you OG.
Get fucked.
Oh, it's Tom over there. What the hell? I just saw a player over here.
I'm following you, Alpha Anthony, right? Or...
Oh, I thought, yeah. You guys are following me. I saw an like a player's
Oh,
foot.
what's behind me?
Oh, dude. No, that's AI, I think.
What's
yeah,
happening?
AI. There's AI just ahead,
Well, we're
Did
200 meters from the center.
Yeah, there's AIs.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
It's an AI right in front of us.
Where?
Right in front of us, dead ahead.
I see the M2 gunner, I can take him.
Well, we're not in position.
Are we just taking shots now?
I'm ready.
No, I'm not even
Stop,
there.
I hear a vehicle. Yeah,
I
dude.
hear-
Oh, it's
if
the tank, it's the tank. The tank's
Where?
coming in. The tank's coming in. It's from the other side, the left side. Oh, I think it may have seen us.
yeah,
Hide in the
yeah.
bush.
I am hiding. I just got a
Hiding.
zombie on me.
It's
Where are
coming
you? Which
around.
bush are you guys in?
Dude, the tank's come far out.
Is it coming for us or?
It's probably going for the mission, but just hide in a tree.
I'm in a tree. You can kill the guy on the hill if you want, but it's gonna alert the guy with the tank. So
Yeah, well, you don't shoot them.
I've got an SDs, but still.
If you're in an SD, you might want to shoot. If you need to. Don't
I'm
shoot.
shaking.
Don't
Do you have pain?
shoot.
Oh, who the hell's that over there?
It's the tank, probably. I hear,
An
Does anyone
AI
have pain?
right there.
I
Like,
hear the tank.
oh, who's that running?
I'm in the barracks.
Whoa.
They're
me
shooting
too.
at me.
You?
At me, yep.
Around here. 170 out. Up there.
Oh, did you stop running, whoever it is, stop running.
Yeah, it's me.
I did.
Oh,
I
Nathan,
stopped.
it's me. Do you want painkillers?
Yeah, where are you?
Behind
Which
you.
one?
Directly behind me. See me? Here. To right. To
Oh,
Are
there.
I actually doing the mission or is he?
Here.
No, to the right.
Tom,
Yeah.
is the guy actually doing the mission or is he?
I don't know.
Well, if we're gonna do it, we're gonna have to start to do it. I didn't have the safe open. I couldn't put it anywhere.
Could have put it
Just
here.
asked.
And the doors are locked.
I can take out this AI on the M2 turret.
But you guys do the
We
mission.
may as well.
Oh, we're just gonna kill
Oh,
him.
the mission's not over there. I can get to you guys again.
Go
Took
on.
a shot, he's down, he's off.
I'm 3,000 meters. By the time you guys do
No,
it,
I just got shot.
You dead?
Oh my god, I got a broken leg. I think that was a player.
Was it? Where? Oh yeah. There's a large gunback guy running.
Can you kill him? I'm getting shot. Where's it
So
you shoot?
shaky. Yeah, it's me shooting, but I'm so shaky. It's so hard to shoot.
It's hitting
I
me.
took out one guy. Oh no, so shaky. I don't know. I
It's so
actually know.
goddamn shaky. I don't know. I'm nearly dead.
Did I kill him? Is somebody hitting me or not? Oh yeah, I see him.
Should I get the EM2, Tom?
Yeah, one. But I got a broken leg. Oh, I do have morphine.
Dude, it's so fucking so shaky. How's he not dead?
It was
I'm
a
just grabbing my
terrible
gear.
spot. It was a
That's all I
terrible
need to do.
spot. There's no point.
Where is it?
I'm
Oh, it's
kidding,
yeah, I see you.
yes. I'm at the fuel truck now.
Yeah, yeah.
Probably just gonna get to base and log off.
Let's log off.
'Cause I have to
I'm
go.
just gonna grab my gear and log off. Because I need that gear.
What, the gear you had on you?
Yeah.
I'd probably die then.
Probably, but it's worth giving it a try.
I did advantage.
Whoa!
Oh,
Shot.
shit.
Wheels out. Eject.
Shit.
Just run down
AI?
here. They won't be able to hit you.
Yeah.
AI or player?
I
don't know.
Don't run on the rocks. Run around
sh-
them.
I'm bleeding still.
Serious?
Fuck. I think I'd healed up or not. Not sure.
Let's run fast.
That's
We don't-
slow times. Why is it slow?
Must be in the problem.
Please don't be locked.